Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print your document on the Pages application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the browse icon down below and click on my phone. Then you should select your document that you want to print out. Tap on the three dots icon at the top of the screen and tap on print, which is the third option. Here you should select your printer. Select how many copies you want to make. You can size it up or down. And here you can see your layout, your print layout. So if you are done with all these steps and you are ready to print, click on the print button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.